Extremely powerful, this haircutting clipper kit features ultra-quiet hair clippers with self-sharpening, precision ground blades that stay sharp longer. The powerful no-snag motor cuts through the thickest of hair with no snags or pulls. Ideal for self-cuts, this hair clipping kit is best for self-haircuts including detailing and touch-ups around the ears, necklines, sideburns, and head. The adjustable taper lever enables precise, smooth, and shortcuts. 25% smaller design, our new compact size provides increased comfort and cutting control. Our self-cut men's hair clipper easily reaches the back of the head neckline, making personal haircuts easier. 22-piece haircutting kit, featuring 12 secure snap smooth cutting attachment guards from 1/16-1. Left-right ear taper guards, blade oil, detail large cleaning brush, blade cleaning cloth, scissors, clipper blade cover, a 7 inches storage case. Soft, comfort grip. This ergonomic hair clipper comfortably fits in your hand and is ideal for self-cuts. Wahl Self-Cut Pro is exceptionally useful for reaching the back of your head, making the self-grooming experience that much easier. Wahl quality. Wahl electric hair clippers for men beard trimmers have been used by professionals for over 100 years in the salon and barbering industry by providing a smooth cut, trim, or shave. The Wahl Clipper Self-Cut Haircutting Kit allows men and kids the ability to achieve barber or salon quality haircuts from home. Our compact design is 25% smaller and extremely powerful with a motor that cuts through the thickest of hair with no snags or pulls. This clipping and trimming kit features an adjustable taper lever that enables precise and smooth haircuts. Detailing. Touch-ups around the ears, necklines, sideburns, and head have never been easier. Self-Cut is a 22-piece hair clipping kit that features 12 secure snap attachment guards that vary in size from 1/16 to 1 inch. Included are also our left-right ear taper guards, blade oil, detail cleaning brush, large cleaning brush, blade cleaning cloth, scissors, clipper blade cover, and a 7 inches storage case. Wahl Clippers trimmers have been used by professionals for over 100 years in the salon and barbering industry. Wahl is a trusted brand for a reason. The quality construction of our clippers, trimmers, shavers deliver a smooth shave or cut every time. Product in packaging may not be the same as photo due to continuous improvements to the product. Note: we test our clippers for cutting performance prior to packaging with an hygienic fiber. We do our best to clean the product to remove any testing particles, but it is possible a few may remain. They are not hair and can be simply wiped off. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to use. Saves hours and gas. This saves me trips to the barbershop for a trim. Gas is $6 per gallon and a haircut is $25 or more on the West Coast. It is quite easy to use with all the different guards.